Hey guys, I thought I'd just do a quick recording for you, as I know a few of you are looking at the euro dollar. So I haven't gone into detail on this, but what I can see is that we are, now if you I'll just zoom in and show you where I've drawn my channel lines. So I've taken my channel lines down here. You can see this is quite reactive. And I've doubled up here because I can see there's another reaction point, and then we've taken that market channel line and projected it up, and it looks quite interesting to me because when you kind of see where we are right now in the higher time frame, you can see that we are basically using this channel line here as support, and we've had a bit of a rejection there as well. So I know there's a few people taking the short side. I would just kind of be a little bit cautious on it. That's not to say a short isn't a good trade, but I'd just be a little bit cautious on it because we could see another push up. Now, I just did some basic work and identified this angle line here. So, if this kind of, I don't know how it's going to push up, maybe, you've got a bit of a doji bar there on the daily, maybe you'll get like a little, push down. You can see there's like a fake breakout here off this trend line. So really, really nice reversal there. Bullish engulfing. You've got a little bit of a doji bar. I just wonder whether we get that pullback here and then we have another little push up and then go and test this angle line up here. So that's kind of what I'm seeing at the moment. I mean, we can also have a quick look. I don't know if I've got the fib set up on this here. Yeah, just to see where the 618 is around 120, 120.24. So you could get like a pushback, or maybe even back down to the 38, which is 120.75. And then I wonder if it's going to have a push up towards these areas up here. What area is the 1618? 122.65. Let me just update the fib levels here to 2618. So let's make this 200. Is right back up those highs, which is 123.50. Yeah, I'm not concerned about the angle line. I mean, it could be a reaction, but if this market is going to reverse like it has in the past, more often than not, the reversals are kind of like double tops. You see like this, it kind of takes out the high and then reverses. So, angle lines, trend lines, they're effective as potential, for trends, for new trends. But when the market's reversing, it's going to do it, it's going to create some kind of reversal pattern. So, yeah, so even if it kind of pushes up a little bit higher, it can still be valid, and then potentially then breaks this trend line again and then goes down. So that we've got 123.50, 122.70. So 123.50. Let me just see where that is on the 4 hour. 123.50. Wow, that's miles away. And 122. I've forgotten it now. What was it? 122.66. There. So, yeah, I mean, like I said, I mean, you could push back even now down to 120.75. Let me see where that comes in. Yeah, which is perfect because that kind of takes us back towards this red zone. So this could even just fall from here. But whether that's going to be, you know, for me, it doesn't quite look ready. I actually think you're more likely to have a, you know, you're more likely to have some kind of pullback, and then potentially we go again, one or two swings towards these highs up here. Let me go back to the weekly as well. So let me see. So 120. Yeah, I mean, that would make a lot of sense to me, because that would bring us up towards this outer channel line here, which, you know, which would make this, you know, this would make it a very, very kind of interesting short up here. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. I thought I'd shoot you that video just to help you guys out, because I know that a few of you are looking at the euro dollar. Obviously, as always, follow your own plan. You know, if you like whatever trade that you're taking, but maybe that will just give you a little bit of an insight as to what I can see, and hopefully it helps you guys out.